Sanju. Samala Julie. Sko comes up pushing Satsama. Joyeux, someone comes on Julie to everyone. I hope wherever you are, you're fine. This beautiful summer months. Unfortunately, we're stuck, a little bit because of the coronavirus. But nevertheless, the weather is nice, the climate is nice. Ladakh is still quite cold actually, it's very surprising. Today was quite windy and I think it snowed again in the mountains and I just don't know what's going on. But Ladakh don't know the claim. Thank you, you can go to my Sapai to Hale. In Tajin Zambulia Namshi Gurjanse Namshi Gurjanse Tenichi Chidichin or Kaja when a Sapai Tekatene Tomoyon Cheskaga Tomoyo Tekas Ponches Tenichi Tajin Zambuling Gurjayon or Zerzitule Zeran Zero, you don't think to Misamina. One thing I want to make clear for everyone, is that the English translation, when you translate Bodhi, which is translated from Sanskrit, and then you translate into Bodhi, and then you translate it into English, it's quite difficult because English, unlike Tibetan, I mentioned this a few times, English, unlike Tibetan, is not designed, it's not invented to translate the Buddha's teachings from either Sanskrit or Bodhi, whereas Tibetan or Bodhi was designed and invented specifically to be translated from Sanskrit, the Buddha's teachings, So that's why in English you can never have a perfect translation. I speak fluent English, of course I speak Bodhi, and when I compare the both, sometimes, it's very difficult to have it perfect, any translation. And the translations that I put up are a mixture of different translations that I use. And all of these translators are experts in their own fields. Some are groups, some were individuals, all very old translations. So what I do is I mix and match, according to my own knowledge, and then I assemble the translation and then I upload them. It's not always going to make sense. That is why I'm here to explain. That is why at the end of every stanza I put the page of explanations. So yeah, it is not always it is all not possible to translate everything perfectly. That's why I want to make it clear to everyone, but that's some day lata Bodhi iskat bole Bodhi tene ngata Bodhi iskat Bodhi segan bo o nganma sangye se tene kacho sangye se kacho sama Sanskrit ne tene yuwa Bodhi no ko translate chu chisi pia artsoma sa tene bole tumi sambo na tene o tene tene ta tumi sambo so chu se na tene so system se no bole ngata sangye se kachos gun Sanskrit ne tene izo skagyu chu chisi pia ale poskale na ko ga skagyu chu chisi pia tene Bodhi se ne sigur somse no bole somba sa English book etena namina translation gala onchiman chezena kashi yansik translation gala miruk se kanzo shik zirtik dupate English translation namina gala yamanokle kazukchona machara samgo tapshona 100% mani yamano nga naska girman puchustin Bodhi ni English sakwa mara English an tikchagret Bodhi an tikchagret somba sa teo sangmachi kinchisi pia English translation namina gala yamano te pia samtu nyanna tene chik nara shachese tapshot te pia tene sholoka jiri kyapne o English tene zupo chide chin koran jelwa English no ko shakan bongi borat phale kagun la English zupo gostom yut angreses katpa te pengi justen ya ju tene ta sholoka number 57 sholoka number 50 dringa tantene chospo zukchi chanokle pakwa sampurshit pe molam ki kelpo samshut so de king of aspiration prayers. Zangshut Nantani Gyawachambe Molam or the Maitreya's prayer. Gyawachambe Molam thing is Kamatas, the Missil Chesino, Tesamayamune, Tatik Chusiporazat. Zangshut Nan Gyawachambe Molam. Astina page number Molin Majux, Tasanitari Chusiporsalele, Tipini, Matogik, or Dirinchi Silchesinbo, Kantamambuji Malani, Bortampa, Instagram story, telling you how on Pale. So what is Uno? Yeah, Jota, Tenita drink Shuloka number Ngapchung Abdunpa. So get the prayers ready that we will do later, which is the King of Aspiration prayers and the Maitreya's prayer. So have them ready by, within half an hour, because then we can all do it together properly. Yeah? Ta dang tene Shuloka Kashigun o Tantabu Kazukshin or Juna. Tachi ngatai mijige ngati lus la not pa kyonaning kospera la son chezena lus poko zukshigino duja shiginokle lus pa lus yote nokle lus poko muspo shiginokle duja shigino son passant lus la not pa kyonaning chesyo kya molte nokle innam ngata jik spera minda tan se gabne shukches khane minda zerches gali tangches teni chi ngata sema pokches tidon zerna chi pezo pa mi gom zanokle te ozo pa gom chesma la mo inok zano chi pejuna te teni ngata sema chang no da manok zanokle Sem teni kwa lushimane mekyak, sem chakchishimane mekyak, sem tsikchishimane mekyak, sem jikchishimane mekyak le. Luzikan bo teni mena shak nyana no, tini bochat nyana no, teni chik chiri chen sena ko kap nyana no. Sem zikan bo mani dini tsapo suchang tong manyo ikya, sombasan o iti umul tenok le. Ki ngatang teni michi ngatang gali tang ches chik gyam nichi tong Chirichi ngata semena ko ikane tokpagun tene jivale se justena toxel sateno pale tene dasa tokpa ka khorje lebjuna te molte no pa das pejana ngata miji ngata chi doshin an bazerna gyamne shukna anchmana shujitana khatata chamno da merakte innanga nor chala topchisla bene topchisla ngaji chana parche chok ze kam so anchmana inopa 당이 주간나절 코아디아 마샤 코게라 멘장 오 코냐 보송들 마초 코미게라 멘가즈가 데수세나 데네 마타양 직지리진 놀롱초나 베네 용체스나 대구니까 데네 초아 용체스피야 마타가 노다 녹모테 녹래 할라 마타한테네 노빠 요노 모테나 또 뎀베 녹테 있나 데네 당이 오 군불루르베 지리진 거랑 렌친청이나 몰까 남신라 tene mizikan bo ata tene chik tsoa kazuk shik ata saknang tsoa paljiwa tsoa yang dakpajik tsoa ata tsoa zaches tungches gunches peni veni teo tsoa zanokle livelihood ata tsoa zamjirna tsoa mana takchudi kora pusun tsokpa yang dakpajik ata mana kora sanyana mano motena gombuludu mote duwale tsoa yang dakpa sachim makas monokle teme kora mani luzna itsumne ata chospajik mi zangpujuyet namani ko tsoa yang dakpajik sanyanka makas mono tene ata dang mi tsoa ata mizikan be tsoa tsoa kazu ngata sa no zekan bo longso shinga nge borti mirwa o te tsoshi no ye je tene te kane muntu te no ta so I was just going back to yesterday's stanzas, because right now we are at the section of the patience chapter where Shantideva was trying to explain to us why we should be patient if somebody says something harmful to our feelings, to our emotions, to our mind, not physical, not material. So if somebody harms you physically, obviously, which is worse, because physically somebody can burn you, somebody can cut you, somebody can bury you and throw you in the river or whatever. They can actually harm you physically because you have a compounded phenomena, which is your body, right? Something we cherish so much, without which there is no life. But then Shantideva was saying that is more difficult. It is more difficult to be patient if somebody is harming you physically, but it's much more easier to be patient if somebody harms you, your emotions, your feelings, because emotions and feelings are immaterial, are not compounded. They're not objects. Nobody has seen a mind, nobody has seen your feelings, right? And we may feel like, oh, you broke my feelings. We feel like something is broken, but you never, your feelings, it doesn't make, if you break a cup, if you break glass, it'll make like, it'll just make a sound. But if somebody breaks your feeling, you feel it though, but nobody's breaking anything at all. It's just in your mind. It's an illusion. So it is much more easier to be patient to someone who's trying to harm your mind, to harm you emotionally, your feelings. Anyway, but then the argument, there were lots of arguments that we may have, which Shantideva has already preemptively, cleared all these arguments, all these doubts that we may have. Some of these arguments are like, okay, so, it's okay, no problem. But one problem with this, people saying bad things to you directly or behind your back is that it causes obstacles in us, earning our livelihood. But then, again, according to Nagarjuna, according to Ratnavali, most of the livelihoods, the method that we accumulate our livelihoods are corrupt. So yesterday, that's why I put the 5, wrongful means of gaining livelihoods. Yeah, so Shantideva was again saying that it is better to not live long than to, live long with wrong livelihood and commit more bad karma. Now that's kind of, this stanza number 57 and so forth. They're a continuation from yesterday. Okay? Yeah, Ju. Taizu nokle. Ngapchu ngabdun pa dijang ni tene ngina ngone ngeju amira. Matang chik sang gezekan bo kazuk shiki nok zekan bo nge dijang ge ngata tsawela maguni skola juza ni ngina ngone ngeju amira. Sang gezekan bo tene shi chen korang o maripingi le sang pena sang shejal ludu ge bena ge zekan ma sang geju nokle. Tate sang gezekan bo tene ta to ta bo do justana ngilam ni ngit sang haji nokle. 하고래 다상아 다상아 니람 당간 조시노 소 오야 따때서 나타직 삼바보르데 mana nilamena ko tene dasangat special tajik mijik nilam tanzane parparechik o jagashki po jiki nilam tano mana parparechik stress tankan nilam tano parpare penima po to kone nilam tano nilamena minda tano mana nilamski poski pono nilamena ko chupu girano nilamena ko lotri to bono nilamena ko tene mane kora minda mata zagitungi to ale tena ota continue to shika tena mata space ste nilambo space ste sholo ka ngabjung abdun pa tene chek chide chingora teusho mo tena ule ngabjung abdun pa milam lojar denyon ne separ chupa kain tang jinji yuzam denyon ne separ chupa kain pa oya tayu mata chek gyaba song tena tene sholo ka ngabjung ngabge gumangis pozix na tene to ta ko hago chen na set pa tena nikalang dewa tene sirong me so dai sholoka chikna phetpong dastastan ya hago chenle milam lorgar denyong ne lo ta nilam nan ko tene ngata nilam tanse lorgar ngata tene nilam tanse shkipo chikata chik chorna shkipo chorna nilam nan ko special na chingata za gyutung jimpo tene putsa pomo indo tene party choche sindo tene penema poyong chesindo kolal demo gonche sindo mana nilam nan ko ngata lorgar dugna Skitpo chendugna dewa nyongna milam lorgar dewa nyongne setpar kurpa kainta nilam setkan nilam masala no pale nit satkan teona suinna harmanata tezuk lankan jigna jinshik janma yutsam denyongne janma jik teni nyunjik nilam jitanste nyunjik nilam ko 10 minutes pe teni nilam ko skitpo jikol dewa nyongna yutsam dewa nyongne setpar kurpa kainpa kaunti nitsaga tezukshiga te nitsatka niska lorga nilamen ko ashki pochona zokseno nitsatkan bo yana yutsam nyunja tene chirichin kora o nilamen ko ashki pochose nitsatkan bo indo niska kamungchi nang tene ngapchu ngapke pe do setpa teda nikalang nitsatkan niskala setpa teda nitsatkan teda niska lewa tene chirong metlo nilam에 때는 니사다삿 때는 레와제간부 때문에 마주바노 오 때는 록스 용냐 치롱 메잖아 록스 통은 다시 포지제 통은 레와제간부 코치 나와지기노 빨리 nilamena ko mataski pochokan nitsazaने mane koran mirupa duga nilamena ko peneut kan bachandena ko yongdo yomirupa matang nitsazaने nilamena ko karjijin pozakan bo pilogatene nitsada china te politika yomirupa topatanse yomirupa le topatarong stokchen chandane ganma chosa khalino mana sombasang te nilamena ko man chirski poyutna lurge peindo minirchige peindo nitsatesene skipozegan bo yalsate mekya loksegon ches mekya moltano hago mogo o te omoteno le 야지 잉글리시는 게 주스냐 유쇼로가 찍는 펫 주스네 다사 납중 납둔 바나 납중 납게 봤더니 펫 보주스네 니스카냥 포츠빅스타스는 책만 하고 전에 So 57 and 58. 57 full shloka and 58 half, it'll make more sense. So now this is an example. For example, if when we dream, when we sleep and we dream of pleasure, sensual pleasures like sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. For example, like music. For example, if you're seeing something very beautiful, like a beautiful man, like a beautiful woman, like a beautiful scenery, or you're eating beautiful food, delicious food, and you're listening to very nice music, or you are with people, whom you love to hear, and then you're smelling beautiful, fragrances of flowers. Imagine you're in a garden, right? And you're wearing beautiful clothes which are very nice to the touch, or you're with people whom you love to hug, and you like their company, their physical company. So it doesn't matter whether you are dreaming, engaging yourself in the 5 sensual pleasures for 100 years. Suppose someone should awaken from a dream in which he experienced 100 years of experience. Doesn't matter whether you experience for 100 years such kind of happiness, sensual happiness, or suppose somebody else who only momentarily, right, for a few moments, for a few minutes, if he experienced these 5 sensual pleasures, doesn't matter. Once they wake up, suppose another should awaken from a dream in which he experienced just 1 moment of happiness. Go to stanza number 58. Together, it'll make more sense. For both of those people who have awoken, that happiness will never return, because that happiness was in a dream state. It was not a real happiness. I was just explaining Ladaki that when you wake up, and if you dreamt of eating beautiful food, delicious food, then when you wake up, you don't wake up with a belly full of, you don't feel like, oh, my belly is full. There is no food in your stomach, right? But in the dream, you feel like it's actually happening. But it doesn't matter, even if you dream it eating food for 100 years or 1 minute, when you wake up, your stomach, the state of your stomach will be the same. It doesn't matter in your dream whether you were a billionaire for 100 years or whether you're like a billionaire for 1 minute. When you wake up, your pockets will still be the same. So that's what it means. For both of these people who have awoken, that happiness will never return. Basically, it is just being, poetic, but basically it means that happiness really didn't exist. So that feeling, that happiness, feeling of happiness will not come back. Once you wake up, it's gone. Yeah, tsering tsetun nika lang chibituni tendraset. Tene tatena tsoxla. Tene tsering mu luste lokpen tsoa. Matar zuntang se tenenga dangi jomira flattery jon tene special na o jule maninya tamane kale kamzang jule achele kamzang ole kasale ole ngai zukshi peniji ole kasale zechna tezu mata tene peni to bato koslak to bato jujusti maninya matak podu mata changman zkan jusale tezu chong yana ko chik susora chik chos patak poji inkan jogan juste o mari chos jogan compajan kan chik jogan juste yana chik susora chik peni chum mangpo yongche se peni mission magia jimpa tamzum tangkan jona 대속을 갖다 곱스코르트 lokbensoa hali zin twin ding지나 찌ring모 양마 찌통 니스카 찌낭 제베드나 텐더셋 마타 이온 daksan nilam 속스 인자노클렘 유ring모 루스낭 찌ring모 루스데 마타 lokbensoa 유 젠지나 유ring모 루스낭 시자니 메칸 차차세노 자차세노 시자니 쿠르디케치시 메캬 제 톤지만에 말루스나 마타 자마 카시피야만에 말루스나 이 자체 톤지 찌르게 포초나 시자니 데니코 데스키 포즈갈 뭐가다 쿠르디 키치즈메캬 스키 포즈갈 뭐가다 데 자체 톤지 고스 갸바 쿠르디 치치즈메캬 스키 포즈갈 뭐 세미나 쿠르디 치치즈메캬 시자니 데니 시위동을 붙나 인자노클레 치위드나 텐더스 뭐 찌링 제동 미스카야 데나 낭진라 찌르무야나 제동 미스카 쪽세노 치위드나 텐더스 시자니 데니 쪽세노 스키 포즈갈 뭐 야사테메캬 데니 시위동을 유테노클레 다롱테왕 못되게 찌르무지 두스테 lokpensoa zuntangen skunmaskuin migona gopskurin tezukcho injinamata zenton dua santa dipasa santa tesanda tsetun bugyal zanokle ava tsetun bugyal dikpa mampoji masa gewaji mare saxte tsetun bumagyal zanokle kamse kamsh kewasti mata tenichi galvena goshkichise las mampo majono ona chipada goshkichana kewasti mata la yulje kirchia seres kirchichaseno lama injang kirchichaseno kakatene mata sai nyalwana idasna tegunso dungal mekhale 소아테 못해놓래. 세르무 있나, 세툰 있나, 니람 유르무 땅랑, 니람 윤툰 땅랑, 랑자니 니람 에스키 보면 깍. 시즌이 ngata misir skit posigan yalsat mekya hago shi testing ni skit posigan loxon chest mekya nilam nitsang testing ni nilam enko zakantu gan skit po loxon chest mekya so in the same way whether we live similarly, whether my life has been long or short, whether you live a long or a short life, at the time of death it'll be finished like this. Basically what it means is that at the time of death, similar to the dream state, similar to when you dream and you experience sensual pleasures, when you wake up, it doesn't exist, right? It's gone and it will not come back. In the same way, whether you live for 100 years and you enjoy all kinds of sensual pleasures, when you die, you have to leave these pleasures back away. You cannot carry your physical possessions. You cannot carry the, all these pleasures in your mind. When you die, the suffering is equal for everyone, whether you live long or whether you live short. And after death, it will not come back. In the same way, after when you wake up, all this dream happiness, these pleasures will not come back. It's just a memory, So it's a bit like that. One thing I need to stress is that, Shantideva said that, Shantideva said that, it is better to live a shorter life and not to commit too much karma, which may throw us into the lower realms, or we will be stuck in a very negative state of mind, which we call hell and so on, right? It's better to live shorter life and not accumulate bad karma, and to accumulate good karma, and then next life you can, actually do something very productive, to have the conditions, good conditions for your next life. It's better like that than to live a very long life, harm others, harm yourself in this life, harm others in this life, right? Impel others to get angry, encourage others to commit bad karma, unwholesome deeds, harming animals, eating meat, and so on, together with you, encouraging others to partake in your sinful activities, and you also, of course, do it. It's better to live shorter than to live long and to commit lots of bad karma. Because in Buddhism, we believe in karma, and karma is something, it's not based on belief. Karma is actually factual. It's like the sun, like I said yesterday. It's like the sun, Nobody can argue that there is no sun. So nobody can argue that the earth is not round, right? It is physical, it is real. But the thing is like, karma is something, it is, it's something that was discovered by the Buddha, realized by the Buddha, and then he explain to us how karma works. That is why the Buddha's teachings, we always apply the word truth to the Buddha's teachings. Yaju. Tene, shloka number 59. Ngapchungar gupa. Nyepa mambo tokyote yuring desu deshi kyang champion chopa chijin demo la patongbo. Daji ngata nyetpa zena yang daksa izo topches bosan. Topches bo nyetpa zena. Nyetpa. Da nyetpa zena nyet zena topches bo. 하고 이 보스카 쪽시노 니스 니 마송자노래 니스 니 마송자나 직 토마마 토프스가 쪽시 하래 니 계속 차미로 가서 니 차민도 차 니스 니 마송스네 니송스 니 톱제스 보니 빠져노래 이츠 보양직 아담 직접이 보스카 쪽시노 니 빠지 아담 직 베니 톱제스 직 노르 톱제스 지 아담 미스나 삭제스 당초나 지 토규나 자체 톱제스 뭐지 대상만 니 빠져노래 니 빠만 보 토규때 유린 대수 디스케짱 다 미세스 유르모 지glun kalluskanchos 세르모 지마타 두칸초스 망포 지마타 녜빠 망포지 톱칸초스 베네 이녹레 자체 퉁체스 이녹레 테네스타 룩 테네직자 테네 커피 테네직 칼지 테네 마네 그런 가리 테네직 토파 대성치 토규나 녜빠 망포 토규데 유린 되소 데스케짱 유리무식 투스 유리무식 마탄테와 데모 엘데와라 마타스체나 마탄테오 직테나 공마타 고호티 루스나 띵녜페카 마타치데 쳔코라 롱스초나 데오마타 유스초나 촌비 쪽바 지진도 데모나 포통반로 시자니 데네 마타치데 쳔 촌비 스쿨마고네 스쿨마 작바고네 이노폴레 땅아타지 터니제 총탄 샤자네 오 믹찬데노 고 길모치 쿠르티 유드나 스쿨메스 쿠자네니 그 길모치 바스쿠 샤세노 마나 쿠고마 tuba kurti ti kurti yongcha sino kozeno ya ta pingzang penigun pingzang kilmochi mone metna tangus karorchi mone metna karorchi gang yodna ko tangus le mana mangpo yodna tangus nyunji yodna tangus ta mangpo jen tarung ma no chasino mana le mangpo jen nga to tarung ma gyom phokte no le tarung ta ma gata sonte no pa nyunji mani kurti menna chandena kilmo chik soshi mani kurti menna chisto changmas to bale mana innam chi mangpo ji kurti na ta ma chi gata sonte no pa tena nangjin la 이쪽에서 나타 녜빠 망포식 미세나고 톱데 또 젠투인 되잖아 되네 시선에 되네 군메 춤핀 촉바 지진도 군메 가족 꼭도 촉잖아 꼭잖아 지진도 되나 촉슬라 덴만 아파트 반도 간잘 라파스통바 마탄 차고사나 고사는 시디스네 하고 먹어 오 마탄만이 짱 맷바만에 간잘라 라파스통바 차고사나 고사는 다 뉴인지만에 사스 medna teongatan give last pictures teongata sax yutnani shizane te last pictures bo mata tesum gata chamanukle ta mampuji rutsun tanse gops korte shkulmash kuste tene mia izuk choste ngampa choste mata mampuji lokpenso mampuji sax yutnani tene shkulmai mata lakpenane karurchik pura mata tsongtangane te mata izuk faida sama kurti kirkantone gata ma yanukle agomogo tene shizane mata tena choksla zamji ngata lokpenso ma ta zosti yutna zamji ngata nizuk lokpenso chosti yutna teni teve ngata dikpa ma saksenole teo santa ngata ji nyunji mane benda tigino stongpali la pas stongpali ngiska chagosanole chandino ko kilmurchu mane medam kilmesh kozani kilmurchu khurchasino chandino ko karuchu yutna karuchu khurchasino yani stanza number 59 continuation of the short life, long life, when you die, not coming back, that thing, it's a continuation. 59. Although I may live happily for a long time, through obtaining a great deal of material wealth. So let's say that through flattery, through hypocrisy, through, pretending to be generous in order to look like you're a good person, or lie to people and then, fool people. For example, a good example is like what? A Ponzi scheme, right? Ponzi scheme. These, even in Ladakh, there were some people who are engaging in these kind of schemes, Ponzi schemes. As a classic example, there is a very wrongful method of gaining livelihood, right? So, for example, it doesn't matter however you accumulate your livelihood, as long as, if you live a long life, and most of our material wealth, most of our livelihoods are accumulated by wrongful means. So, when we die, I shall go forth into the next life, empty-handed and destitute, naked, totally, just like having been robbed by a thief. Even if you are a billionaire, you cannot bribe the Lord of Death, so to speak. You cannot bribe death. You cannot ask death like, oh, today's not a very convenient time. Can you please come on Monday? Or today's Sunday, it's a weekend. I prefer not to die today. Can you come tomorrow? Let me finish my affairs. I forgot to write my will. I've accumulated billions and billions of rupees, dollars, and I need to write a will. I forgot to write my will. Can you please come on Monday? Today is not very convenient. Can you speak to my secretary? Or can you please take this one, from this 1 billion I have, can you please take $500 million and please spare me? Because I have to see my grandchildren grow up or something like that. You can't buy death. When you can't cheat death. Doesn't matter for how long you have lived, doesn't matter how much wealth you have accumulated and you have indulged yourself in, when you die, empty-handed, destitute. That's what it means. So again, it's like, when a robber or a thief, robs you, well, that's their job, isn't it? Job of a thief or a robber is to rob you. So anyway, when they steal you, when they, steal from you, when they rob you, even if you have $10, 10 rupees in your pocket, they will take it, right? They will first come with a gunpoint, for example, and they will say, empty your pockets, done. Put in the bag, what is it, $10? Or maybe 10 million that you have just, you went to a faraway place and you made some business, or gold or whatever, you have valuables, whether it's 10 or whether it's 1 billion, the robber will take it. And you will go empty-handed, you will come back empty-handed, back to your home. Now, the thing is, if you had 1 million, if you had accumulated 1 million through so many wrongful means, it's a greater loss. In the same way, if you have lived a long life and you have earned a lot of, livelihood through wrongful means, when you die, the consequences, the loss is bigger because the karmic consequences are much stronger. The consequences of a thief robbing you of 10 million is obviously much greater on yourself, physically, emotionally, mentally, financially, than if a thief robs you of $10. Simple. Number 60. So Shantideva was basically trying to say, like, what is the point of accumulating all this wealth, at the cost of not practicing patience. For example, if you say like, oh, I should not be patient at people at all. I should be aggressive. I should pursue wealth aggressively. I should pursue avenues of riches aggressively. There should be aggression on all fronts. Only through aggression, only through ego, only through selfishness will we accumulate a lot of wealth. Shanti Deva was saying, what is the point? Because you're going to go empty-handed anyway. Even if you live 100 years, and even if you, experience so much pleasure by, going through all your wealth, by enjoying your wealth, when you die, after you die, those pleasures won't come back. You can't carry all your material possessions with you to the next life. You go empty-handed, reset, done, back to zero. Yaju, tene, number 2 chupa. Kaldik nipe sunju na, dikse sunam sashi na. Now, classic Ladakhi example. Yeah, Ladakhi, and maybe not just Ladakhi, but also maybe, I don't know, maybe in other societies I haven't heard, but in Ladakh I've heard these stories with you. Okay, sorry, I have to speak first in Ladakhi, then in English. I'm getting confused. Yaju, number 2 chupa. Kaldik nipe sunju na, dikse sunam sashi na. Tayu ngata Ladakh sayang zukshi nukle. Classic example jigeno. Tayang chizuru nga soche langs pale. Oh, ko nga namma dikchanin pin. Ko changzongkan, shatzongkan, o shatzongtangkan, mi chalashkuste, mi nyalbachane chalashkuste, lanjala lamchukan, dikpa mampo, saste, mane tene chi korang, hotel jidong peste, tene ko shamampo, taste, mi man dikpe las mampo, korang dikpa saks, jelman dikpe saks chese, las mampo chos, tene nyampo stemshana not mampo shkal, dikpa mampo saks, mana, changzong, shatzong, mane chi yongches, pura zong, suspo zong, spera zong, dakpa zong, mik zong, pura zong sli, soa, mane tezam koichu, 다 죽배가 뭐네 다 종세 되네스팅네 다 거지 개화식 주나 다 뭐네 그 개화 주로 다 거기 대숙식 양나 삼바탕 알도 양나 직스테나 대숙식 요도 대 파나마 놓고나 놓래 가시 이스라엘이라 지 구매가 책나 다 딕벨라 서비스 비찰다 해 뭐나 책나 다 샤종나 지 호텔지 다스나 다 심션에 쇼크자때가 다 때네 샤종나 다 지 참종나 때베네가 면어 볼래 때네가 다지 미 딕클라스 딕빌라스 컴파식 치슬라스 인젝션식 치슬라스 politics choste migun shukste so sojang fedi pe mo pocho kanchuste jupeka tis kundaje jang kanchuste gompare jindak chu kanchuste rimbuchi ji tene ji lama ji gi jindak ri chu kanchuste kato galya bachani mi sam ta ko gyurjang se kasu tok poyde so deshi mana manma ta man dikpa ta mo ji tak mo koi ji ma jang san zagan bo ta tembersni ne gyurpa yudna ni chi shema to yale 99% ne bagwa se nokle demba demma dikpela se nok juste ne jivale khona mulda ta de mo te nok pa kaltes ngena woni te so sambata na ki dasa tsapik jik chalta hai thora yongchuma peni tsapik saste skit pochoste mana skit pochen tenisting ni yanchik ni gewa mo posan jimpa tamen skunda jangen kilkhor jangen mana gompa jangen sukul chen minda chen samna kalte ni be sungurna kaltes nyepa penevene nor longchot sho te same teni sonpo luste dikse sunam sajena yuringmo mateni peni mangpo yotna o skunda mo pojanyan son peni mampo yodda gompa mampo janyan peni mampo yodna nyalba changuna jimpa mampo tanyan peni mampo yodna o tena tosla teni chik giwila sa mampo chonyan samse teni chik dikpa zache sepia sonam chen samna line number nispa kalte nipe songyurna kalte sizuk peni mampo urjun tansir kun marku se saxte mani jikten shikste teni chik sonam zache sepia dikpa zache sepia dikpa mekan choche sepia gewacho chisepia ni sonam ji chen samna ni pe tendo triggerna sonam sidik minjuram lo so tate penigun ku 100% gewana nya ponga ta sagyan ni ku chance to che inting ru gele teju shine me kya jixtene na ko last chichona ko 99% ko je dikpa kora ko dikpe nespa dikpe zukshi medna nespa ninji to yotanole mana mo nespa mekanji mali metenole ko ji dikpa tsape masaganji mali metenole quand yo butse pour ngata minna nan ba dikpa chenmo no shocha dikpa yoterle yana chi ngata de hoja chen sam no quand yo simchen mo butse mo pochen no dikpa yote no pale shocha kan tsosa minna sa kan tsosa dikpa meterle no nespa yote no pale teso guin jina tene ko sa no pa dikpa sa kan mo tebe da sa ngata chos pa ji nani yul pense ji son tene mane ko ran te mo mo macha gimsan met pa mo po macha gimsan met pa spera matang gimsan met pa tene jixtine na ko ma go korun madu choskan ka choseremira te choshen spera la te choshen tene 99% ko chos tene 1% mane dikpa sa medo mono nespa ji po medo mata mi choshigina 99% choshen mane ko 90% choshen dikpe na lusa no le 1% choshen mane mata gewa chomane na no pa mono kalte Galtes Zulmata, Gop Mascora, Gilmore Chupe Kitapo, Gilmore John Sonstemachi, Miainopa, Gilmore Chupe, Gilmore Johnson, Son Juzo Hortenano, Son Koran, Magdan Koran, Zuntan Cheskaino, Miamatachi, Awa. Chitanse, Iwa Mare Nichishino, Mona, Sombasan, Tezushi Mane, Kates, Machua, Kiwash Kankachostengatan, Penemon Pochanani, Tashi Delegino Hele, Tezunimeka, Monke Lopezovano. That is Nipe Tendo to Yuna, that Lopenzoa, Nieta, Te Pia, Mata, Shram Chogosano, or Zunam Tangosano, Goban Skorku, Guang Skorgosano, Hale, Sonam Sidik Minjuram, Tenitio Mata Sarchise Pia, Sonam Zate, Dikpa Gute Mano, Dikpe Las Juste Mano, Amoten, Havamogo, Galtes Tizu Samna, Ki Chalo, Zapik, Mitsimulos and Chance to Amano, Penny Kopsavin, Zapik the Zundain, Zapik Short Joint, Zapik Matan Zuri, Chimana, me and not a chance to Amano, Chesina, stinging at activity, Shaspari Chokan Juste, Gompari Shankan Juste, Skundari Shankan Juste, Jatori Shukan Juste, Dikpatagon Samna, Teo Sarchesepia, some Dikpasas, then now Koran with Tenimata, Chik, Dikpela Sustemano, Sonam Zatemano, Yotan is Sonam Montana Metan Sustenopole, Mana, Teo Sustenopole. Oh, Sombasan Teuchik, Hagu, Kachano Pele, Kashito Samadubaya. Tezukcha Mazajush, Dasani and Yanakashizupo, oh, Tenezushi, Dasamani, Zushi Chusted, Sonjik Somek, Tansi, Donshi Chusted, oh, Tachik, trusting each of us, Mana, Diana Chustin is Yamata, Shaspachu Chopotin, Special Chimotanto, Gutpamena, Shaspe Midape, Montemirole, then Gutpamanja, Gutpayuti Milupole, Gutpayutnako, Dikpelas Churches Manopa. Some of Panchasano, Pankan Son Yamanopole, Darum Manicora, Dikpelas train, Yanchi, Shatson and Chanson, Mani Dikpelas, Jixin Pura, Stanshiki last train, politics train, the Yanchi, Lamari Pevachino, Kamgun Pevachino, the Lamatuguri Pevachino, function Chimuju the China, Yansabi donation return Kanchoste, Chitan Skundari Jankanji, Tizuricho, Yang, Kato Lebason, Migunu, Kotamatamono, and Mama Diction in Pitasus and Kazugalato, oh, Manizus, Daichi, Tampojus and die, because she didn't Koran. Miri somebody kept it. No, I don't know. The Muslim test on the conjure midnight. Gelsam Valley. This which in the Hare, that in the Gala Koran, is Ukshim Chakanji, goodbye, Kanjino, Dipadakshis in Augustin. Okay, now this one, number 60. Basically, surely material wealth will enable me to live a long life and then shall be able to consume evil and do good. Okay, maybe this line is not translated very well. Basically, what it means is like, if you imagine that by not practicing patience, by flattery, by hypocrisy, by gaining wrongful, by gaining wealth through wrongful means, if you think that you will live long, that you will have an accumulation of a lot of wealth, then it's okay, because then you'll be able to destroy evil, like consume evil, like, how can I say, you can destroy your bad karma from your past life, from this life, and do good by building a monastery, by feeding the hungry, by building a sanctuary for animals, and so on, by building an old people's home, I don't know, by building a school, by feeding hungry children, by, stopping warfare, and so on. If you think that it's okay to commit, bad karma, earn a lot of wrongful, livelihood through wrongful means, and to live a long life so that you can eradicate, you can destroy your bad karma and to do good. That is wrong. Because in order for you to accumulate wealth in such a way, you are already destroying your good karma which you have accumulated in your past life. As explained in the first stanza. Thousands of eons worth of good karma will be demolished by one single moment of anger. That is an analogy that Shantideva used at the beginning of this chapter, the first stanza. So go back to that. So to gain all these wrongful means, you have to lie, you have to steal, you have to fool people to get rich fast. There is no shortcut to get rich fast. You have to exploit something. You have to exploit the nature. Right? I mean, like, look, if you look at, like, people like, I don't know, like, for example, the richest person in the world, what's his name? Jeff Bezos, or Jack Ma of Alibaba of China. These are rich people. Or Ambani of India. They're rich people. They've become rich really fast. But they must have lied so much. They must have stolen so much. They have already destroyed maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 or 40% of the world. the natural resources, palm oil, garbage, I don't know, petrol. I'm not an economist. I'm not like, an expert on this scale, but I read a little bit and I can see the impact of commercialism, which they encourage, their business model encourage, through which they become rich so fast while we were all suffering in the lockdowns. Jeff Bezos, I think on Amazon, I think they gained, I can't remember how many billion, 20, 30 billion, they became richer. While the whole world was getting poorer, they get richer. They exploit us in very clever ways. And they enact laws with the help of their politicians, friends, so on. I'm just saying it's an example, So what is the point afterwards to build a temple or build a statue? Because you have gained all this wealth through sinful methods. You have destroyed something or someone, somewhere, whether you can link them directly or not, This is all, there's no way, it's very difficult, it's all, very difficult to gain rightful means of livelihood. Maybe that's why the Buddha, after he achieved enlightenment, he encouraged people not to, grow their business. He encouraged people to live a very simple life. He encouraged people to, beg even for the basic necessities, which is to live, food. He didn't encourage people to, make business in making food and all. I don't know, maybe afterwards, things happened, I guess, and now we are where we are. Pale tasan zambuli de mi chukbugun tilo le Jeff Bezos mola te golang pa ko enokle ko deja ngata i lockdown bu coronavirus jong system ne I tu speka tasan news na ziksang billion zamlo le tunchur le te ngata gare penite manokle na bia pa na pa manokle rupia manok dollar tunchur mampo ji ko chukbugir te nokle Amazon se karna da se I chukbugun le so tezam man ta china mana tezani chukbugir te nok düzgün zane ma tezan chukbugir te nokle Tezam misena ekdam çupo gürçes, miserin mulüse çupo gürçes, stine gevek çuna çam panaman, çezene te çupo ekdam gürçes pia, göspa gürnam, kule gürnam, dikpe lasitan yötte no pale. Tehun şia koy saf koste no, butik satte no, tehun şia koy jaste sane petrol pinkse no ble. Çame kane te palm oil, palm oil zukan jon te çik tes kola çik sira zadan dandiriya. Dandiri ser zikan bu kazuk şey duk zikan bu. Dandiri ser zikan bu palm oil zikan bu no ble. Palm oil numjung chenle hagar chamle gash kekan oya te zamju kongone tene deforestation jungle zamji chada no semshen zamsala no le ta Amazon ze kan Brazil te changma sama cha deshkila no Brazil there is lots of deforestations happening in Brazil, right? The real Amazon is getting destroyed. The fake Amazon is expanding. It is such an irony, the fake Amazon created by a human being, which just resides on some servers, some computers around the world, that is expanding. What is the point when he dies? When Jack Ma dies, when Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, whoever, Ratan Tata, when all these rich people, Bill Gates, these are the richest of our world. I don't know, maybe there are lots of other rich people. Or whether it's the poorest person. When they die, destitute, empty hand, and whatever pleasures they experience in this life, when they die, after they die, it will not come back. During their death, it will not help them. Well, that's spirituality. That's what Shantideva was trying to teach us, Stini Givekchen, Samna, Mitsirimu, Jiluste Matan, Dikpelas, Chostan, Stini, Givekchen, Gumbekjan, Chortin Jijan, Samna, Kyot Parsning, Takpan Yutemani, Tikpatamanakle, Magasmono, Tipama Sasate, Gavati, Mapuji, the Skivan Manesakan, Gava Mapuji, Metkanjo Sarte, Monteria, Jew. Tamatagania is grim, Zanshishilin, Timura. So today we are supposed to read Zangshud, right? The King of Aspiration prayers. So please open it. Page number, the one on Instagram is 181. Instagram e katangan bo gyana gyachik gyashik. Chokdo benong ko page number taken ni su dista chokni hale. Stars no ika hele. Jibgya ni sabdun 427. Stars gya wazadang. Tenerik tenokle. Stema changushime kya ngata anchidishin. 427 dole. 427. Ningpe na ko tsame ka tebo mane kora. त्यो जेफ बेजोस जाने, जैक मा जाने, मुझे नहीं मालूम इस चैनल वाले. Yeah, जो so as usual we'll start with refuge. The dreams a big time took. You just another siltan yale. لخبط المجرزات. Fold your palms and تني تسوي لما تتبع تسوي لما سو سيزنا تيو تني عندش كبسو صندين سمزت سانجي شوت كندن سوماش كبسو صندين سمزت يا أو يا تني سمشن تام جلين يجوا مزت. Generate devotion, loving kindness, compassion, respect, devotion and respect to your gurus and the three jewels, loving kindness and compassion for all sentient beings. First we do refuge. Manama gadanyam besem shanta